Hi everyone, hope you're all doing well. You joined just myself today over in Birmingham. So we're going to have a look at an old abandoned Jewish cemetery near Five Ways. So do you fancy coming along? Come on then. It's all the rope marks from when the horses used to pull the canal narrowboats.
Turn right, then turn left.
This is the way into the cemetery. Birmingham. This burial ground, Beth Home, is preserved by the Birmingham Hebrew congregation in memorial of the Jews of Birmingham buried here between 1823 and 1872. Now I know for a fact that Jewish burial sites are not allowed under their own religion to be interred. So once they're buried, that's it. So there isn't really much left here apart from just trees. A few graves overgrown up against the wall. Such peculiar writing. This one here is interesting. It's erected the congregation in remembrance of the zealous and pious services of Simon King Marks, who departed this life on Wednesday, the 30th of September 1868, aged 68. During his life services were ever devoted to the cause of humanity. He fulfilled every important office in this community. Yeah, so that's about it from me today. Hope you've enjoyed the video. I'll catch you on the next one. Ta-ra.